friend Sukanya. It's 6 in the evening and we have finally reached Darjeeling and हम लोग अभी अपने होटल में हैं. तो रूम टूर तो दिखाएंगे आप लोगों को, बट उससे पहले हम थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप हो जाएंगे और बहुत जोर की भूख लगी है तो कुछ खाना तो पड़ेगा ही. ये जो व्लॉग है ये पूरा फ्लैशबैक में होगा. दार्जिलिंग. This is almost a second home for me and my husband. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा आना जाना लगा ही रहता है. And by any chance in this series, if you guys find that I'm exaggerating too much about this place, then please don't get angry cause people close to me already know how much obsessed I am with this place. So somewhere in the month of April, we packed our bag and boarded the train from Shialda for NJP. आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 10 आवर्स ऑफ ट्रेन जर्नी फाइनली हम लोग एनजेपी पहुंचे. और सच बताओ ये एनजेपी उतरते ही ना एक्साइटमेंट लेवल और तेज हो जाते हैं. थकान तो महसूस ही नहीं होता. अच्छा तो टाइटल से आप लोगों को तो पता चल ही चुका होगा दैट दिस टाइम वी विल बी एक्सप्लोरिंग दार्जिलिंग ऑन अ 2 व्हीलर्स. इसलिए अभी हम लोग डायरेक्टली उस जगह पे जाएंगे जहाँ से हम लोग ये बाइक रेंट लेने वाले हैं. So let's go. So this is the shop named Royal Riders from where we are going to rent a Royal Enfield Classic 350. And the shop owner is very reliable cause my husband already rented bikes from him number of times. All the details of this shop will be given in the description box below. Do check it. And as you can see, our bike is getting ready for the journey to begin. Finally, we are all set for our journey towards the hill and I really can't express my happiness now. तो चलिए अभी हम और आप मिलके ये scenic view enjoy करते हैं. I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're mine, take it to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other. There are 3 to 4 routes to visit Darjeeling, but we took the longer route because of the scenic beauty and also as we wanted to visit Mirik and Pashupati. I don't wanna be without you. We have decided to stop at Mirik first, but उससे पहले एक व्यू पॉइंट आता है named Tingling View Point. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग पहले रुकेंगे. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. Now I'm at the first viewpoint towards Mirik. So we stopped here for a while and you will find the writing of I love Mirik over here. जहाँ पे आप लोग फोटो खींच सकते हो. From here you can also get to witness the sprawling tea estates on the hills. Now we'll be heading towards Mirik. So come, let's go. हमने और भी सारे रूट्स ट्राई किए हैं दार्जिलिंग जाने के लिए, बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, ये मिरिक का जो जर्नी है ना, दिस विल गिव यू अ डिफरेंट फील. ऑन द बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द हिल यू विल फाइंड टॉल पाइन एंड फर ट्रीज एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं किसी फेरी लैंड में आ चुकी हूँ. तो अभी हम लोग मिरिक आ चुके हैं। दिस प्लेस इज अंडर रिनोवेशन नाउ, सो हालत काफ़ी ख़राब है as you can see.
The center of attraction at Mirik is the Sumendu Lake, surrounded by a garden on one side and pine trees on the other, linked together by an arching footbridge. And as you can see that it's under construction now.
यहाँ पर हम लोग अभी ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुकेंगे, so we'll go directly to the पशुपति नगर. Stay tuned.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm.
We have reached Pashupati Nagar, and from Mirik it will take approximately 30 minutes to reach. And also while entering the border, videography is not allowed. And ये लोगों ने मुझे पकड़ लिया.
You is all I need.
So now we are entering Nepal. We have booked a cab. It costed us around rupees 220. तो हम लोग अभी पशुपति मार्केट जाएंगे, फिर पशुपति मंदिर जाएंगे, फिर वहाँ से रिटर्न घूम के नेपाल बॉर्डर आ जाएंगे.
Until my heart gives in.
Pashupati Market is a bustling place with lines of shops and street vendors displaying their wares. It is specifically known for cheap imported electronic gadgets, jackets, perfumes, cosmetics and clothes that are imported from Thailand. Be careful about the fakes and bargain karna na bhule.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
We are done with the shopping at Pashupati Market and now entering the Pashupati Mandir. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
We are now on our way towards Darjeeling. वैसे तो मैं काफ़ी फिल्मी हूँ एंड इसलिए मिरिक के रास्ते से गुजरते वक्त मुझे वो हाईवे मूवी की लाइन याद आ रही है, जहाँ से तुम मुझे लाए हो मैं वहाँ वापस नहीं जाना चाहती, पर ये रास्ता ये बहुत अच्छा है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये रास्ता कभी ख़त्म ना हो।
So now we are at the next viewpoint, which is Shivana viewpoint. So this side is Nepal and that side is India. Currently you cannot see anything due to the haze, but if the weather is fine, then you could get an amazing view from here. You can also able to see Mane Bhanjan from here. we are currently staying at Central Heritage Resort and Spa, and this one is our room. Let me give you a quick room tour. The room is quite spacious. We've got a kettle, a mirror. Say hi. A TV. Let me show you the washroom. We have a geyser, shower. Over here it's a storage kind of a room where you can keep your bags, a wardrobe, some extra bed sheets and quilts. Over here is a corridor, though there is no view from the corridor, but you can just sit here and relax if you want. And this is what you get to see from this corridor.
दार्जिलिंग पहुंचते ही हम लोग थोड़ा फ्रेश होकर निकल पड़े महल की तरफ, जो कि दार्जिलिंग शहर का दिल है, टू ट्राई आउट सम स्ट्रीट फूड्स एंड ऑल्सो टू हैव आवर डिनर. सो कम लेट्स गो.
Mixed fried rice and some chili chicken. They have both outdoor and indoor sitting system, so we preferred sitting outside today because the weather is really amazing. So okay, now let's taste the food. It's really amazing. Not too much spicy. It's good. So dinner done, and I'm back in my pajama now. Tomorrow we are going to explore Queen of Hills on our wheels. So stay tuned for that. And it's already 10:45 p.m. and we need to sleep now. Until next time, keep smiling and keep traveling. Bye bye.
अभी हम लोग staying at Central Heritage. তোমাকে নাড়াতে হবে না, আমি নাড়াচ্ছি।
Okay.
লাইটটা কাটো, stop করো। Because
ঠিক আছে জায়গা খাচ্ছে না স্ক্রিন বলেছি স্ক্রিন না